Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Check your Android version and CPU architecture so you grab the right Google Play Services package. Once done, back up personal data and enable developer options. Enabling OEM unlock may be required for custom ROMs. You then download the matching G apps bundle and a reliable installer like Magisk or TWRP. This prevents mismatches that break dependencies. Make sure to verify checksums to avoid corrupted files before proceeding to the installation phase. Now you install, boot into TWRP or use Magisk's installer depending on your method. Once in recovery, wipe cache and Dalvik/art cache only. Avoid full data wipes unless necessary. Flash the G apps zip or sideload it. If using Magisk, install the module and reboot. After the system starts, open Play Store and sign in to trigger background updates. You should also check app permissions for Play Services and Google Play Store so they can run in the background and receive updates. To finalize, confirm Play Store auto updates, then update Play Services. This often resolves API mismatches. If apps crash, force stop then clear cache and data for Google Play Services and Play Store, reboot and test. If problems persist, manually install a matching Play Services APK or roll back problematic updates. Make sure SE Linux mode and app permissions allow Google services to run. If you still see failures, capture a logcat to identify missing frameworks or signature mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.